Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background music on Inshot. So if you use Inshot for video editing and you want to add background music to your video, for that you'll have to first of all navigate to your Inshot application. So open your Inshot and you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here what you'll have to do is click on the video option and create a new file or a project, and you can also just navigate to one of the projects you're working on. So you can click on plus new or navigate to an already existing project. So I'm going to create this from scratch. So click on new and choose a video from your mobile phone. Click on the tick icon and import this video to your Inshot. Now if you want to add background music to this video, first of all you'll have to ensure that the audio from the original video should not clash with the background music. And in order to ensure that, you'll have to click on this video timeline. Now scroll to the right of these options and click on the volume option. Now you'll have to just simply hold down this scroll bar, take it to the left to decrease the volume in this video. And if you want the volume of the original video to be increased, you can simply take this scroll bar and drag it to the right. So I'm going to decrease it a little bit. You can adjust this volume according to your preference and then click on this tick icon at the top right corner. Now scroll back and click on the music option. That's the second option. Click on music and now you will see these options. In these options, you'll have to click on plus music. After you click on music, you will see this interface. Here we have featured, my music and effects. So you can add a music from your mobile phone by clicking on my music, and all the music that will be available on your mobile phone, all the recordings that will be available will be shown here. You can pick out any one of these music, or you can also click on featured and choose a music from this one. Like if you want a vlog style background music, you can choose vlog that will have chill, travel or moody element to it. You can choose mood, and whether you want a soft music, a music that is related to love, or a relaxing music. So you can choose any kind of background music for your video. After choosing it, you can simply click on it and select the music. It will give you a preview, and after choosing it, click on this download button at the right corner. Now you will see a use button. Click on use, and when you play this video, this will be added as a background music for it. So let's get a preview here. Now you can also adjust this music. Click on this music timeline that we just added and click on edit and choose the part you want in your video. This looks much better. So what I'm going to do is select this again and split it at the end and delete this part. Select the unwanted part and click on delete. Now as you can see, the background music is very loud, and in order to control it, we'll click on volume and decrease the volume just by holding this bar and taking it to the left. You can also add a fade in and fade out effect to the background music and click on this tick icon. Now we'll get a preview. Now this looks more soothing and better for my video. So after I finish editing this video, I'll click on this tick icon and click on the save icon at the top right corner. Click on allow. Now you'll have to choose the resolution. So I'm choosing 1080p and click on save. Now you can preview this video. And here we just added a background music on Inshot. So that's how you can easily add a background music on Inshot to your video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.